What's going on, guys? Kolton here from Colt of All Trades. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to build a cable machine. A cable machine, tricep push downs, we're talking lateral pull down. Possibilities are endless. So I'm going to show you exactly what I bought, right? Some pulleys, heavy duty pulleys. All of this stuff was bought from Walmart. Simple stuff. I think this was like $2. Right, check it. Some of these, but I probably won't use these. Some carabiners, heavy duty. Another pulley. And this right here is the meat and gravy. A cable that is coated, because you don't want it to rub on the pulleys and end up fraying the cable, and now you have a problem where the weight's snapping and dropping and it's a big mess. You don't want that. So we got little clips. We have some eye hooks with open-end eye hooks, so you can hook up the pulley system on that. Wicked simple, so easy, anyone can do it. You will know how to build your own pulley machine after watching this video. All right, so first things first, we gotta map out where we exactly wanna do this. I'm thinking I'm going to bolt it to one of these rafters here. So I'll take the eye hooks. I'm gonna put one eye hook here, another one over there. You're gonna run the cable through them. You'll have one end that can connect any of the plates to it. The other end's gonna have some sort of device to where you can hold on either ropes, straight bar, an angled bar. I might actually fasten up like an easy curl bar. If you can't get the eye hook to twist in, obviously because it's way too strong, just get something that you can apply leverage with. I'm making sure that the hook itself is facing away from where I'm gonna pull. That way when you put the pulley on, it has less chance of slipping, falling off. You could probably grab this and tighten that up and close it up if you wanted to, but we're just gonna see how it goes.
Serving for the country, making sure we all free. Not even my brother joined, it runs in the family. So think about it for a second, boy, you testing a pro. I got more game than the 70s head blow. Even though I never had a chance to put on a show or get signed to a label, shout out to that dude Flo.
Just kidding, I have it right here, but doesn't that suck when that happens? Quick tip. You want to make sure that one of these eye hooks is facing the other way. This one's facing that way because the pulley is going to put tension on it this way. And then when you hook up this one, it's going to put tension on it the other way. That way you don't have them coming down. All right, this is what I got going on so far. Just got to cut it to length. And it's great because I'll have a bunch of extra. These all tied up now on either end. What you want to do is make sure that when you have it set up, you want to make sure that when this is at the top end, that still has enough room off the ground in order for you to hook your weights up. So when it comes just barely off the ground, when you go to pull this down to start your set, that now we are creating tension. That way you have tension throughout the entire range of motion.
Son, I've been rapping since a youngin', quick to grab an onion. Honey's constantly loving by the way my music bumpin'. Nice dude, yeah, but my fuse could go from nothing. I could have you sweating more than if you locked up in an oven. Moved out of the verbs, got me some real work. Too sick of looking at dudes with triple LX shirt. Know what I mean about the fiends, always searching for perks. Then get mad when you say no, like you was some type of jerk. I got crazy talent when I'm ripping the mic. You just crazy thinking that your rhyme schemes are outright. Metaphorically, I'm taking out the switchblade knife and take a slice at anyone in sight, picking a fight. So step back, this a disaster. I outlast ya. Yeah, I'm white because I fright quite more than Casper. Boy, I lap ya. Have you thinking I couldn't?
And there it is, guys. As easy as that. You can build your own cable machine at your house. If you have a basement, if you have a shed, anywhere that has some sort of wooden structure or even a metal structure, if you can tap into it, all you need to do is just hook it up, put some pulleys on there with a cable, boom, you're good to go. I've looked on YouTube. I've only found like 2 decent videos that were good, that were showcasing something like this. This is by far the easiest way that you're gonna do it. When I was deciding on which name to choose for my YouTube channel, I thought, let me see, do I wanna make it around fitness? Do I wanna make it around supplement reviews? Do I wanna make it around DIY building things? Do I wanna make it around automotive stuff? I had so much ideas in my mind and I wanted to make sure that I have a niche. So that's why I'm going with Colt of All Trades. I'm a master at none, but I'm fairly decent at most of the things that I decide to do. So let me know if this is what you guys want to see. Let me know if you want to see more of this stuff. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you decided to build your own cable machine, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Get out there, get building, get those gains. I'll see you next time.
Treat it like it's hot, kid, and just drop it. K-Kel's killer free, and it don't matter the topic.